Cheers. February is National Heart Health Month. With Valentine's right around the corner, this felt like the perfect time to pour a little extra love into what we're drinking. Today, I'm prepping 2 heart-supporting juices made with ingredients that aren't just good to you, but are also good for you. First, I'll be sharing strawberries, fresh lemon, and crisp Gala apples. Strawberries are packed with polyphenols that support heart health, lemons help support circulation and detox pathways, and apples contain a fiber that's known to support cholesterol levels. This juice is light, refreshing, and nourishing, and a perfect way to love your heart back. Then I'll be sharing a pineapple, blood orange, and cherries recipe. Pineapples contain bromelain, which supports circulation, help reduce inflammation. Blood oranges are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants and support healthy blood vessels, while cherries are known to fight oxidative stress and may support healthy blood pressure. Together, this blend is bright, bold, and powerful to support heart health. Heart health isn't just about one organ, it's about circulation, inflammation, energy, and the choices we make daily. What we put into our body consistently matters. If you're looking for a deeper reset, I'm hosting my next juice cleanse on February 26th and 27th. Deadline to order is Valentine's Day, February 14th, to be sure your order gets to you before then. Just visit the website in the description and we'll do the rest. Hello everyone! Are you guys excited? I am so excited to be back with you. So excited to be back with you. Y'all, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas, Merry New Year, all the things. I hope that you are getting off to a great start to your new year. I hope that your goals have not gone too far ahead of you already, but I'm so excited. So today we have 2 recipes to share in honor of, you guessed it, Valentine's Day. So what do these juices help with? They're going to be heart focused, but they're gonna also help with other things. So we're gonna talk about the things that these juices help with. So very exciting. The first juice that we're going to juice is just 3 simple ingredients, you guys. 3 simple ingredients, that's it. It isn't gonna break the bank. It isn't gonna kill your pockets, okay? But it is gonna do a lot for your heart health. It's gonna do a lot for your mental health, for your emotional health. It's gonna do a lot for you, okay? So, all right, classic right here, pineapple. It just goes a long way. It tastes so good and it does so much, okay? Then we're trying a new one, y'all. In honor of V-Day, okay? We're gonna do some blood oranges. Blood oranges for the very first time. We've never done blood oranges before here together, so we're gonna do blood oranges. And I'm very excited to talk about these, just so excited, y'all. So, blood oranges, all right? And the last ingredient we're gonna do today is cherries. Have you guys had cherries before? So, this is what they come looking like, right? They've already been washed and all the things, you guys saw that. So this is what cherries look like. They did have the seeds in the middle, so I went ahead and took those out, and so this is kind of what we came up with. Have you ever had a cherry? It's actually very sweet, tastes like a grape. I think the kids will like these. We're gonna try them out on them. Anyway, don't wanna eat them all, but they're very good and very addicting. Not in a like unhealthy way, but just like that sweet craving, you know? All right, so that's the first recipe. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna do, should we do it all? Should we do it all? No, because I really want it to like taste good. But I'm trying to make juice for the week too. What should we do here? What should we do here? We're gonna measure out our cherries to see, but the rest, I think we're just gonna use everything, right? So, ooh, what is this? 1 cup, okay. 1 cup of cherries. So we have 1 whole pineapple going in. Actually, let me do it this way. Going in. Then we have 1 cup of cherries going in. And I only used half the bag that I got from the store so that I can give the other half to the kids for snack or sweets or whatever. And then this is I wanna say 7 blood oranges, but we're just gonna use the whole thing. 7 blood oranges. All right, let's do it. we are done. This made 36 ounces. If you were curious, you wanted to duplicate it, the exact recipe that we used today made 36 ounces of juice. Let's taste this. I'm excited. Let's taste this juice. This is fruit punch, okay? This is fruit punch. Absolutely, this is fruit punch. Wow, 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 wow. Very much 10 out of 10. The kids are going to love it, okay? Love it. So let's bottle it and get to the next one. Cheers. All right, next juice we're gonna make is going to be also 3 ingredients. It's going to be apple, strawberry, and lemon, okay? Apple, strawberry, and lemon. And so we're gonna put it together and see how it tastes, right? So strawberry is a very soft fruit, so you probably wanna put it like in the middle of your juicer, right? So in my case, because I have lemons, which are kind of soft, and strawberries, which are kind of soft, we're gonna kind of put apples, soft fruits, and then apples again to kind of put them in the middle there so that they have something to kind of press them down, but they're not getting the juicer started, okay? So for this recipe, we're just gonna eyeball it. We're gonna use, this is about 6, I think this is about 6 apples. We're gonna use about 4. No, we're gonna do half the apples, but this is 6 apples, okay? Then we're gonna do this is about 1 whole thing from the store of strawberries, okay? I almost always, 99.9% of the time, use organic strawberries. I've talked about that in several videos. If you add yourself to my newsletter, you'll get the free produce guide, and you can know which fruits and vegetables I recommend for organic and which ones I recommend you buy conventional. No cost to you, just it's listed, linked down in the description box below, so feel free to go check that out. Then the third ingredient we're gonna add is lemon, and for lemons we're gonna add 2 lemons. So these are halved into 4, so that'll be 8 slices. We might do 6 slices. So that's 1.5 lemons, okay? 1.5 lemons, and then we're gonna top it off with the rest of our apples. Got it? Bam. All right, juice number 2. This also looks like it made 36 ounces, okay? 36 ounces. So both of these recipes will be down in the description box below. But look at how beautiful it is. Look at how contrasting color it is from the last one. So beautiful. Still gives red and pink, doesn't it? Red and pink, Valentine's. I just love it. I know you do too. All right, let's bottle it up and taste it. This last little bit right here is for me. Let's taste it. Oh my goodness. Y'all, these are so good. And I mean that in every sense of the word, okay? God sent. Do you hear me? God sent. These are kid friendly. So good. I could just drink them all myself, but I literally was trying to meal prep for the week, so I'm not gonna do that. These are for the kids all week long. So anyway, y'all, 2 Valentine's friendly juices for you to stay healthy, stay focused on your goals, reach your goals. So excited for you. So excited for you. Y'all, listen. It is possible for you to witness true wellness on this side of heaven. Do you hear what I'm saying? Listen, I want you to know that I don't care what any doctor has ever said about you, your diagnosis, about how long you've had it, how many generations it has run down your family in, the buck stops with you. Or should I say the buck starts with you? Do you hear me? Because you're gonna do something different. You're going to take your health by the horns. You're gonna be proactive, not reactive to your health. And I'm so excited for you. I'm so excited for your family, for everyone connected to you, for your friends, for those that you haven't even met yet. I'm so excited for you. So get your hands on these. If you try them, tell me in the comments below, which one are you most excited to try first? So very exciting. Thank you guys so much. Again, if you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We are on our way. We're climbing. So thank you guys so much for everyone who's been supportive. We're getting new systems. Like, y'all, happy 2026. So very glad to be back in the saddle with you. So excited. I could literally talk to y'all all day, but anyway, you will see me in my next video. Bye.